If you use IntakeQ, I want to show you a brand new AI tool that's going to save you hours every week. Hello, my name is Dr. LeBauer, and I am a 100% cash-based practice owner of LeBauer Physical Therapy in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm also a business coach and have helped thousands of physical therapists, occupational therapists, chiropractors, acupuncturists, massage therapists launch cash-based practices and help patients without insurance. So for the last 4 or 5 months, I've been treating a few more patients every week, and I started using Comprehend PT to record and my treatment sessions and help me create documentation and treatment notes based on my sessions. It's super awesome. I'm going to show you how it works, and it integrates with IntakeQ. So this isn't my regular IntakeQ or PracticeQ account. This is a test account that I have because I'm an affiliate with them. If you don't have IntakeQ, you can always go to intakq.com/cashpt. I will put that link below. And if you'd like to check out Comprehend PT AI, you can check out the link below as well. And you can use the code LeBauer and you'll get a 50% discount. With my IntakeQ link, you'll also get a big discount on the first 3 months. I think it's 20% off the first 3 months. But let me show you how this works. There is a Chrome extension, and you download this from Comprehend PT, and you record a new visit. And I hit record, and I go, "Hi, Jennifer. My name is Dr. LeBauer. I'm going to be treating you today. I heard that you hurt your back. Can you tell me a little bit about what's going on?" And Jennifer goes, "Hey, my name's Jennifer. I hurt my back deadlifting, and I was told never to lift 35 pounds ever again. I've been trying to go to yoga and stretch, but it's not getting better." And then I just record the whole visit, and I can click stop. You'll see what happens when I hit Comprehend here in a second. The cool thing about this is that my input's too brief. All right, watch this. And I said, "Jennifer, when does it hurt?" "Well, it hurts when I bend over, and it hurts when I go to tie my shoes." And I say, "Okay, got it. Okay, based on what we just looked at, when you were standing up, you can bend over and barely touch your toes. But when I sat you down with your legs outstretched, you could reach over your toes and kind of grab your feet." So that tells me it's not just a mobility problem. It's not that we need to keep stretching your hamstrings. We need to do some corrective exercises, and we're going to start with a modified bird dog exercise. And I'm going to see you once a week for 6 weeks. So let's see what happens. I comprehend. The neat thing is it's going to start filling it in. Let's see if it does this. Comprehend. I mean, I've given it enough notes. My input's too brief. All right, so let me go back to this visit that I recorded earlier, and you'll see what happens when I do this. The cool thing, see, there it is, boom. Okay, so I did longer earlier, and it fills it in. And then I can, if I change it and update it, then I can hit the learn button, and it'll start learning, and it'll learn how you document. So each time it makes it better, which is one of the coolest things about these integrations. So if you're using IntakeQ and you're not using Comprehend PT, you're wasting tons of extra time, because what happens is you're in your treatment brain, and then you have to get back to your documentation brain. And for me, they're two different sides of my head. I have two different thought patterns, and I've got ADHD, and so it's really hard for me to switch back and forth. Some people might be easier. If you're using any other EMR, Comprehend PT also syncs and integrates with dozens of EMRs, PT Everywhere, JNapp, WebPT, etc. So be sure to check it out. It's awesome. It's going to save you a ton of times. And there's a lot of other features. You can create custom templates. You can use their pre-existing templates, etc. I'll show you over here. I can go back in and I can look at older visits. I know by the date and the time. It doesn't put their names in automatically, but I manually put in my name here because I said, "Hi, my name's Aaron LeBauer," in part of the recording. I can create my own templates, or I can use the templates that they have linked. And so I've got the IntakeQ soap notes. So because I've integrated that, it's super simple, super easy. It's going to save you a ton of time. Check out the link below. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit from it when you use my link, but it's not what feeds the family. It just supports the channel and supports some of the online free resources that we put out every week. So if you like this, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And comment below, let me know what questions you have, or let me know if you're already using Comprehend PT AI and what you like most about it. Thanks. See you on the next video.